Hello class 10th. Today I am going to start new chapter, that is population, chapter number 15, population, the increasing number and rising problems. The increasing number and rising problems. As you know, today we hear a lot about the population explosion and related problems in the developing countries, including in India. All the media of mass communication ratio, television, press, stage, etc., are trying their best to educate people about the grave dangers of rising population. It is becoming a serious threat not for any one country in particular, but for the people as a whole. World population through the ages. Okay, it is estimated that the total world population about 50,000 years ago would have been around 1 million. Okay, is around 1 million. At that time, man lived a very primitive life. He knew nothing about the farming, but he had begun to use tools which he made from stone, sticks, and bones. He was a wanderer and took shelter in caves. He used to kill animals and eat them raw or roast them on fire. He used to catch fish from waters. He collected eggs from birds' nests or gathered fruits, roots, and leaves from wild plants. Meanwhile, due to safety reasons, he had learned to live in groups and to use his intellect in many ways, as in hunting large animals like mammoths. He had improved his tool, which were still mainly a stone or stone age or tool making revolution that helped man to improve his life. Okay, now in this chapter, the human way of life was undergoing the remarkable changes. कौन से remarkable changes आए? First, settled communities. He started living in a settled communities after tool revolution. Okay, communities. He started to settle in a communities and started domesticating animals. Third, dog being the first, agriculture. जब टूल था तो फिर एग्रीकल्चर भी स्टार्ट कर दिया. He learned to show crops and store food. This was the beginning of agriculture. His primitive stone tool and weapons were now gradually replaced by those of bronze and iron. He had stepped into the metal age. And now here the rapid rise in population due to the two main revolution, that is rapid rise in population due to two main revolution. First one is industrial revolution. And second one is scientific revolution or new discoveries in medicine. Medicines. Okay, in industrial revolution, the major phase is the growth of the human population started with the scientific and industrial revolution. So industrial revolution and scientific revolution, which began around the 17th century. This one is around the 17th century, this one around the 20th century. Okay, now rapidly growing industries made human life more and more comfortable with greater opportunities of job and with more production of food. All this favored population rise. However, there are one drawback. As the community group were increasing, there were widespread outbreak of infectious disease due to close contact of the people, and nutrition diseases are appear due to the unbalanced diet. इंडस्ट्रियल रिवोल्यूशन के दो ड्रॉबैक थे. अच्छा भी था क्योंकि लोगों को जॉब मिल रहा था, प्रॉपर फूड मिल रहा था, कुछ भी खरीद सक रहे थे, तो पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज कर रहा था. लेकिन इसके दो ड्रॉबैक थे. इंडस्ट्रियल रिवोल्यूशन होने से क्या हुआ? पहला आया न्यूट्रिशनल डिजीजेस. जो वो खाना खा रहे थे उसमें प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू नहीं थी. एंड सेकेंड आया कम्युनिकेबल डिजीजेस. जब पॉपुलेशन राइज करी कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज, जब पॉपुलेशन हमारा राइज करा तो लोग का ग्रुप्स में रहने लग गए, तो क्या हुआ, स्प्रेड करी जल्दी से, कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज इजीली स्प्रेड कर जाती थी. नाउ न्यू डिस्कवरीज इन मेडिसिन. In 20th century witnessed remarkable discovery of the two things, that is antibiotics and vaccines and vaccination, and antibiotics and vaccinations. Okay, and this result in a sharp reduction in the number of the death for all age group, especially the infant and the old. More children per family began to reach the reproductive age as they reproduce, the rate of growth of population began to rise very rapidly. एंटीबायोटिक बनने से और वैक्सीनेशन होने से क्या हुआ, इन्फेंट डेथ रेट भी कम हुआ और ओल्ड पीपल डेथ रेट भी कम हो गया. तो जो इन्फेंट थे वो अपने रिप्रोडक्टिव एज तक पहुंच रहे थे प्रॉपरली और उनका पॉपुलेशन राइज कर रहे थे. नाउ थर्ड वन, टू बिग क्वेश्चंस हियर. नाउ हियर आर द थ्री मेन रेवोल्यूशन ऑफ द ह्यूमन कल्चर. थ्री मेन रेवोल्यूशन, थ्री मेन रेवोल्यूशन जिससे पॉपुलेशन बहुत इंक्रीज किया. फर्स्ट वन इज एग्रीकल्चर. सबसे पहले तो टूल आया. टूल रेवोल्यूशन की वजह से उसने सेकंड क्या चालू करा, टूल रेवोल्यूशन. सेकंड क्या आया, एग्रीकल्चर रिवोल्यूशन. जब टूल बन गया फिर एग्रीकल्चर करने लगा. जब एग्रीकल्चर करा तो इंडस्ट्रीज लगाई. इंडस्ट्रीज के बाद क्या, डिस्कवरीज करी. तो फिर नेक्स्ट क्या होगा, साइंटिफिक revolution. Scientific revolution. Okay, now 6 major reason for sharp rise in human population. 6 major reason for sharp rise in human population. 6 major reasons क्या है, six main reasons for sharp rise in population. For sharp rise in world human population. World human population. Okay, 6 major reasons for the sharp rise in world human population. First one is better health care. Second is fewer death. Third, food shortage minimized. Food shortage minimized. Fourth, improved nutrition. Improved nutrition. Large scale immunization. Large scale immunization. 6, fewer infant death. Fewer infant death. Here 6 main reasons for the sharp rise in world human population. Better health care. For all age group there are more health care center, hospital and practicing doctors available for help. Fewer death due to better medical aid. This is for the two reasons. There are regular vaccination program, may disease have been controlled or even wiped out. And secondly, more patients get cured and live longer. Third one is food shortage and green revolution. More food is produced and stored. There are very few starvation death occur. And improved nutrition due to special for the growing children. They keep healthy, suffer less and suffer less from the diseases and live longer. Large scale immunization against the fatal diseases and fewer infant death. In older times an average family used to get 4 to 6 children, out of which one or more would not survive due to certain diseases. Today Now, most newborn babies survive due to the better health care. Maternity homes provide safety for the both child as well as the mother. As a result, for all the above factors, even if the couple has only 2 or 3 children, the total population rises sharply. Now, more and more children are reaching the reproductive age and they contribute to population growth. Now, need for adopting कंट्रोल मीजर. क्या नीड क्यों है, क्यों हमें कंट्रोल मीजर्स, पॉपुलेशन को कंट्रोल करने के लिए कंट्रोल मीजर्स अडॉप्ट करने चाहिए. व्हाई, व्हाट आर द नीड्स? नीड फॉर अडॉप्टिंग कंट्रोल मीजर्स. नीड फॉर अडॉप्टिंग कंट्रोल मीजर. पहला क्या है, डिक्रीज ओपन स्पेसेस. जितना ज्यादा पॉपुलेशन होगा ओपन स्पेस क्या हो जाता रहेगा, कम रहेगा ड्यू टू इंक्रीजिंग इन पॉपुलेशन. डिक्रीजिंग ओपन स्पेसेस. सेकेंड क्या है, पॉपुलेशन, पोल्यूशन आएगा ड्यू टू इंक्रीज पॉपुलेशन. पोल्यूशन, pollution increase industrialization causing air, water and soil pollution. Rapid and intense shortage of drinking water. Shortage of drinking water. Okay. And the fourth one, increase population. Pollution is a health hazard. Increase करेगा population, it is a health hazard thing. And now fifth one, that is shrinking of forest. Shrinking of forest. Shrinking of forest. Now decreasing over open spaces means जितना ज़्यादा population होगा open spaces कम होते जाएंगे, forest कम होगा, land use करेंगे for the agriculture and for the building, and population, it increase the industrialization more and then more pollution, and the rapid and intense shortage of drinking water and other resources also. Increasing population is a health hazard. Now here are the needs for the adopting control measure. कि हमें क्यों अडॉप्ट करने चाहिए कंट्रोल मीजर फॉर कंट्रोलिंग पॉपुलेशन. हियर आर द रीजंस. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज factors responsible for population explosion in India. Factors responsible for population explosion in India. Okay, what are the factors which are responsible for the population explosion in India? First one is illiteracy. Illiteracy, most of the rural population which form the bulk of our society are still illiterate, ignorant and superstitious. They also don't know the functioning of the human reproductive system. And the second one is traditional beliefs. And among the people from the lower strata of society, children are regarded as the gift of God and as a sign of prosperity. Therefore, they make no effort to avoid pregnancy. Third one, to mortality rate. Due to high infant mortality rate in our country, people from the economically weaker section think it's safer to produce a more child so that at least some way may survive. Okay, mortality rate, due to the high infant mortality rate in our country, people from the economical weaker section think it's safer to produce more children so that at least one may survive. And the fourth one, that is economic reasons. First reason is children are considered to be a helping hand to increase the family income. कि मतलब जितने भी ज़्यादा family में people होंगे, they are and they support the family for in economically and improve the economic condition of the family. And religious and social custom. Religious and social custom means India is a center of various religious and social custom, as such most people do not accept the family planning norms. Desire for a male child. Desire for a male child. In India, most Indian families still hold the view that the male child is essential for keeping up the name of the family, कि उनके नाम को आगे बढ़ाएगा. Further, the male child is usually a great help to aged parents, कि हम जब aged हो जाएंगे तो हमारा help करेगा, that male child only. These two reasons often contribute the getting several children before getting one son or sometimes not even that. Now next one, lack of recreation. Lack of recreation. Poor standard of people and poverty provide no creation other than sex. Now here are the 6 points for reasons responsible for the population explosion in India: illiteracy, traditional beliefs, mortality rate, economic reason, religious and social custom, and desire for a male child, and lack of recreation. Okay, now children, do this progress check in your notebook and write any 6 factors which have contributed to a rapid rise of the human population in recent time in the world. And second, give the approximate figure of the population in India in million at the beginning, at the end of the 20th century. List any 4 reasons for the population explosion in India. Do it. Thank you.